Which federal law primarily aims to ensure that consumers are provided with helpful information about the cost of their mortgage loan and to protect them from unfair practices? It's RESPA. RESPA and the Truth in Lending Act will provide consumer protections, but RESPA specifically focuses on settlement costs and practices. What percentage of the MLO exam is typically dedicated to federal mortgage laws and regulatory structure? 23%. A home buyer is purchasing a single-family home with a federally related mortgage loan. The aspect of the transaction that's covered under RESPA is involving federally related mortgage loans, including the requirement for disclosures about settlement costs. So its key is disclosures about settlement costs. RESPA X, primary purpose of the good faith estimate, GFE under RESPA, is to provide an estimate of closing costs. Buyer notices a discrepancy with a HUD-1 settlement statement with fees for the good faith estimate. They should contact the lender for clarification. Under RESPA, it's prohibited when it comes to referral fees for receiving a fee for referring a client to a settlement service provider.
TILA Regulation Z Essentials.
TILA Regulation Z. Truth in Lending Purpose, what it requires, APR finance charge.
What is the primary purpose?
Primary purpose of TILA.
Is it A, to promote
TILA to promote informed use of consumer credit by requiring disclosures about terms and costs. A buyer receives a loan estimate that includes an APR of 5% and a finance charge of $2,000. What does the APR represent in this context? The annual cost of the loan, including interest and other charges. The APR represents the annual cost of the loan expressed as a percentage, including interest and other charges, providing a comprehensive view of the loan's cost. What is the primary purpose of the APR disclosure under TILA? To provide a comprehensive measure of the total cost of credit. Buyer receives a TILA disclosure stating the APR and total payments for a mortgage. How does this help the borrower make a decision? It allows the borrower to compare the total cost of different loans. Bam!